Alright, so we are here in Midjourney. The first thing we want to do is we want to make sure that we have the best settings possible to produce the highest quality images. So I'll show you the settings that I use. And for that, to access settings, all you need to do is type / write settings on your keyboard and hit enter. And this should automatically pop up on your screen. So first we have the latest, the model selection, and you want to make sure that you use the latest model, which is 5.2. If I click here, you can see there's 5.0, 5.1. You want to make sure that you're on 5.2, which is the latest model, and it produces the highest quality images. Next, we have stylizing options. There's stylizing low, there's stylizing medium, there's stylizing high, there's stylizing very high. See, for this, I have felt like stylizing very high, I have found out that it works out the best, because even though it says stylizing, I think it has something to do with the image quality as well. I have tried out all of them, and I can tell you that stylizing very high produces the highest quality images. So I really recommend that you use stylizing very high for your images. If we move down, we have high variation mode and we have low variation mode. And I have this on low variation mode, and I'll tell you why. Because I feel like sometimes when you have it on high variation mode, it follows its own instincts more than it follows you. On low variation mode, it kind of listens to you more than follow itself. So for example, I have here Alexander the Great riding his horse going into battle. So if you have this on high variation mode, you might see that instead of a horse here, you might see an elephant, and we obviously don't want that. So to get the highest quality images and to get Midjourney to listen to you, I really recommend use Stylize very high and low variation mode. If we move to the left, we have remix mode. I think by default this will be on remix mode. You don't have to worry about it, just keep it there on remix mode. If I move down, we have fast mode, we have relax mode, we have turbo mode, and I told you about fast hours in the last video. And basically what this means is the more higher your payment subscription plan is, the more fast hours you get. And basically once your fast hours run out, you will get a message from Midjourney and you will need to switch from fast mode to relax mode. But I can assure you that this has nothing to do with the image quality. It's just that on relax mode, it'll take a long time to produce that image. On fast mode, it'll be a lot quicker. So these are the settings I use, and in the next video, let's get into it.